In recent years, air fryers have skyrocketed in popularity as a quicker, healthier alternative to deep frying. But how exactly do they work, and are the health claims truly valid? This in-depth look explores the inner workings of air fryers as well as the latest research on their nutritional impacts. What is an air fryer? An air fryer is a countertop kitchen appliance that circulates hot air around food using a fan, producing a crispy exterior much like deep frying. Unlike conventional deep fryers that submerge food entirely in oil, air fryers require only a small amount or no oil at all. They use the convection method, rapidly circulating hot air to achieve moisture loss and browning. How air fryers work. Inside an air fryer, a heating element warms air up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, which is then blown around the food basket through a fan. As air moves swiftly past food, moisture on the surface evaporates and leaches out. Meanwhile, the exterior develops a crispy texture through a process called the Maillard reaction. This reaction occurs as amino acids and sugars undergo thermal decomposition, cross-linking and caramelizing to form the toasted brown pigments and flavors. It is the same reaction responsible for browning and crisping when pan frying, baking or roasting. Air fryers achieve these reactions in a fraction of the usual cook time. Healthier frying? Deeper frying requires large amounts of oil that can penetrate food, increasing calorie and fat content. By using little to no oil, air fryers can produce fried flavors and textures with up to 85% less fat than submersion frying methods using the same foods. However, not all air fryer brands eliminate oil entirely. Some users find a light coat improves crisping. Research also shows a negligible 3–5% oil content increase in air-fried versus deep-fried chicken and potatoes. So, while lower in fat and oil overall, health benefits depend on what and how much you add yourself versus commercial cooking methods. Versatility beyond fries. Despite their name, air fryers can prepare far more than just fries. Their convection cooking lends versatility across categories. Meats: chicken wings, bacon, sausages, fish fillets. Vegetables: Brussels sprouts, green beans, carrots, zucchini. Snacks: spring rolls, egg rolls, mozzarella sticks. Sweets: donuts, cakes, cookies. A built-in timer, temperature dial and food basket offer hassle-free single-pot cooking of medium to small batches of many ingredients. Models with additional features like rotisserie accessories further expand options. Health impact compared to other methods. Several research studies analyze how air frying compares nutritionally against deep frying and other common cooking techniques. Deep frying added the most total fat and calories to chicken and potatoes, followed by pan frying, then air frying, which had the lowest fat-calorie increase. Air-fried chicken retained slightly more moisture than deep-fried varieties but was similar in doneness and texture. Deep frying led to significantly more fat absorption. Compared to baking, air frying yielded potatoes with comparable fat-calorie content but were still crispier on the outside while retaining moisture inside. Using an air fryer to reheat fried chicken decreased total fat content by 18–26% versus microwaving or oven reheating. For homemade meals, air frying correlated with 27% lower saturated fat and 12% fewer calories versus regular deep frying methods. Overall, experts agree properly using an air fryer in place of deep frying, especially for oil-dense batters and breadings, offers clear nutritional benefits due to the dramatic fat reduction achieved through its convection cooking action. Staying healthy with air frying. As with any cooking method, dietary choices and portion sizes matter greatly for health outcomes when using an air fryer. Maximizing its advantages requires limiting or omitting added fats and choosing leaner cuts of meat. Not exceeding recommended cooking times, which can cause deteriorating texture and nutrient loss. Watching quantities and pairing with plenty of vegetables, whole grains for satiety. Lightly spraying or brushing on oils rather than submerging or dredging foods to control usage. When practiced mindfully, air frying empowers home cooks to satisfy cravings through crispy textures and flavors in a lower fat manner compared to deep frying's ultra-processed methods. With proper use, air fryers present a genuinely healthier route for fried foods.